let's do this. bullshit. We're going left. Yeah, follow the, yeah, you'll be the trail, you'll be the lead, I'll be the speed. I did this section not too long ago, careful with the red clay. Yeah, so do not use the back brake unless you absolutely have to. Just use your tap, don't like grab your front brake. Just kind of, you know, like do the alternating squeezes. No, this side's good. If you're not sweating, you're not doing it right. Oh, that's fine. No, I remember this section. Yeah, it'll be a steep downhill for now. Pine stick, fucking. Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. Dangers abound. Looks like I expect gnomes or elves to pop out of the woods. Oh, don't you target fixation. That's a good one. You can put a motorcycle in there. Yeah. Specifically a nice 300L. Yeah. Don't think about it. Well, there you go. Yeah, if you can kind of keep it nice and light and nimble. There is a difference if you kind of like let go and stop trying to like control every little movement of the bike, but just like guide it. It does become a lot easier. If that doesn't sound too pretentious. Oh, yep, nice. No, you're good. Nice and slow. Cool. Is your bike off? Go ahead and turn it off and just walk it down. Yeah. Just put, yeah, there you go. Put it in first and just kind of push it down. There you go. Yep. Cool. No, you're doing good. We're just having fun. No, there you go. There you go. That's what living's all about. If you stay on the brown instead of the red clay, you'll get a bit more like traction. But you're fine. No, go where you're going right now. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I love about it. That's why I love Chiang Mai. You have it's a motorcycle mecca. You have some of the best motorcycle trails in the world. Yeah. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Don't listen to the sweep. I'm just here to bullshit. Yeah, yeah. Who invited him? I'm just here because I heard there's beer in pipe. Yeah. If you guys survive, you must earn it. Oh, there you go. Got that at the 360. I mean, yeah, it's like the Benny Hill music. No, you're good, dude. That's fine. Yeah. That means you can't fall. You can't slip all the way out of the hill. There you go. You have to manifest your destiny. Awaken the Buddha nature of the motorcycle, and then you will realize. Yeah. What's the bodhisattva of this of downed motorcycles? There is no motorcycle. It is just you on your journey. Yeah. You spun out of control that far. Actually, holy shit. I mean, they're going like 200k an hour, aren't they? I'm like, and the corners. Actually, I met a guy in Chiang Mai. There's a guy who was like a regular at Riders Corner. He's like old. He's probably in his 60s or 70s. And he rode to Isle of Man a couple times. And I mean, he was an incredibly humble guy, great guy, you know, British Army, all that kind of stuff. Son lived in Chiang Mai. Nice! Oh, you're almost at it! Are you okay? Hold on, spectacular. Hold on, alright. One like near-death experience, and then he was done. He'd never get on to the side after that. It was just stupid. Yeah, well, actually, unfortunately, he got hit by a drunk driver in Chiang Mai and died. Yeah, a year and a half ago. So it's quite sad. He was such a good guy. He loved lark and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, but he was such a nice guy. But I was like, oh yeah, you ride motorcycles. Oh, I'm so sorry. Wow, that's terrible. Right. The consequences of my own action. No, I understand, like, you know, you have to have some risk in life to make it, like, interesting, right? But, some airlines, right? Who was I talking to about, what was I talking to you about this? No, I was talking to somebody else, but the idea of a benevolent some nominal power, but mostly figurehead, right? And then it's ruled by, obviously, the Prime Minister. Right. Oh, okay. Oh, this is pretty fun. I'm liking it. You guys are, yeah. I'm trying not to break my ass. It's falling off. Yeah. Oh yeah. But it's so nice that, like, I think the last one we did is still kind of burning and it's still quite dry. Now it's like still wet. Oh, they're both shit. What you want is like in between. What's up, man?
Hey, commute's good, but there's still more dirt roads out here.
I'm driving a motorcycle. Oh, okay. Oh, for sure. Right. There you go, nice and easy. Nice and easy. There we go. If you have the time, take a look at these like fields on our left. So, if you can tear yourself away from from just surviving. Oh, you okay? Oh shit. Are you okay? Oh shit. Okay, hold on, guys. Come back. Robert, Allison, you okay? Oh shit. Holy fuck. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Don't move. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put on it.
Yep. Okay.
What do I need to do?
All right. Okay. Let me see your. How's your other arm?
It's holding it.
Let's do it. There you go. Nice and easy. Don't get the handlebars too hard. Nice and easy. Oh no! It's one of those things kind of good if you like a loosey goosey. You'll be able to like kind of just gently guide the bike where you want to go. Nice, good job. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be great. Yeah, this would be great for my subs. I know. Yeah. We gotta try it. We just gotta pick the music that goes with it. Free falling. You okay? Are you sure? Oh, you know, whoa, I know this intersection. I just haven't been on it in ages. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. I know this one. What? Wow, this trip's already been a wild success, in my opinion. I am really enjoying myself. Not many people can say they've driven a bike off a cliff and like survived. Yeah. How did it feel? Do you feel like you have a second lease on life? Were you put here for a purpose? Yeah. So okay, let's remember what we learned. Yeah. That's it. No target fixation. Yeah, I wasn't even looking at it. We're going left. Nice and easy on the brakes. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Yeah. We're not winning any speed records, but hey, who cares? No, the goal is to get us out all in one piece. This one means business. Yeah, there you go. Just follow whatever trails. You're good. Yep. There you go. Nice. You might want to turn, if you want, you can turn it off. Just walk it down. I think we're just too far away. Nice. Which one? Yeah, oh yeah. And is that little like, what's that little plant in the little like planter? It's so cute. We're not fixating on targets. Follow the trail, follow the recent. You're good. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Yeah, just don't cross over. Just go. Just keep on. You can follow down the corner, but yeah, is your bike off? There you go. Now, no, nice and slow. Make sure your feet have like something to touch. Okay, cool. Yep. There you go. Nice. There you go. Yeah. Nice and slow after. Yes. crevasse. Holy shit. Yeah. Just go over it. Just go over it. Yeah. No, we're doing great, honestly. This is good stuff. This is good crack. What? Isn't that what I say in Liverpool? Yeah, I hope never to go. Yeah. Ooh, nice save. Thank God. Although it wouldn't have been too disastrous, but... What? We're going down. What if you wanted it easy, we do a bake sale. There we go. Hell yeah. Slowly, slowly, slowly. There we go. Okay, nice. We'll have a date at the bottom. It'll be nice and slow. Ooh. That's fine. That little toothpick. Woohoo!
You have a wrench? Oh,
A wrench? Yeah, I got a wrench.
oh, I see it.
Do you see it?
Well, you're not following the blue line.
No, not.